The pallet behind me is a 12-step ladder with handrails, the kind you'd find in a box store somewhere. And I got that because of these really high door openings. Plus, I have to put lights up in the ceiling, that's 18 feet to the peak. So I'm going to put that together today. I just about didn't get this ladder. There was a long chain of confusing communications. Supposed to have been delivered today. Today's Friday. But on Wednesday, 2 days ago, I got a note late in the evening that said the delivery company had attempted delivery and that it had been rejected and that I was going to get a refund. I couldn't figure that out. It's from Amazon. So I managed to, after a bunch of finagling, their website isn't all that friendly, but I did manage to finally get a human. And the human looked into it a little bit, and she figured out that it was something to do with, it was between delivery companies. One delivery company had refused it from another delivery company up north in Midland, Texas. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, can't get a hold of them because it's too late in the evening. Started again next morning, Thursday, and got a hold of Amazon again. And they said, well, apparently it was refused because it was damaged. And I said, that's fine. Okay, so when can I get another one? And they said, well, you can't. This is the last one. No more in stock. That's not acceptable. I've been waiting for this one for nearly 3 weeks. And the alternative that they were telling me about was probably another 2 or 3 weeks away, and it was nearly twice the cost. So I said, well, listen, how bad is the damage? I'm willing to accept it if it's something I can fix. So she gave me the communication details for the 2 delivery companies, or the 1 delivery company, the one that was supposed to give it, the one that had actually refused it. And I got a hold of them, and they said, yeah, the wheels were damaged. Okay, then they didn't send me any photos. But they did tell me the name of the delivery company that had tried to deliver it. And I got a hold of them, and that guy said, no, it's just some damage with the pallet. There's nothing wrong with the wheels. And he sent me photos, and there was no damage on those photos, but at the end of the day, his photos didn't show the whole thing. There is damage. So finally, I got a hold of the delivery company that had refused it, and they sent me their photos, and sure enough, here's the damage. There's a wheel there. It's actually not a wheel, it's a foot pad. It doesn't rotate or anything. It's it's a foot pad. And here's the other one, which is worse. Well, that's not horrible. There's no bent structure anywhere. So this is a serviceable ladder. And I was quite happy to get delivery of it. So finally, late last afternoon, we finally figured out that yes, it was suitable for delivery, and I'll take delivery. Okay, this ladder rocks around a little bit, and I think it's just because I assembled it and it's a little bit confused. So I'll do some adjustments. I'm actually quite pleased with the ladder. It's going to allow me to reach where I need to reach. It's easy to move. It's just going to stay in here at any rate. So I think it's a good investment.